doing it too.
Fire.
This is the lucky fire maker.
Sitting by the campfire. Oh my god.
Your mom was like right at the door.
Yeah. Oh, it's
Dude,
warm.
we should be outside in the freezing cold, but still be warm at the same time. If only the box would... the box caught on fire. Look at there's a hole in it.
Can we like not do this?
That's sweet.
You guys are gonna try to get me killed.
Maybe
dangerous.
That's what the snow's for, man.
Let's throw snow on it. Sorry that the camera's shaking, but my body is frozen.
Kaylee, who you cannot see.
Callie, Charles, Reed, Tristan. I know. That's fire. This is dangerous.
gonna put my fire out!
It's dangerous.
Stop. No, we're
No, it's
not.
not.
We did this yesterday.
That's what the
With
snow's
logs.
for.
You need a base, Charles. We should make a
Just
base
up
and
there
have a
and sun.
bonfire.
Oh my god, it's freezing. I'm going back inside.
fuck.
No.
I think you should extend the time of your party, Joe. I know. I think we should all call our parents to pick us up later.
Somebody get me some more.
Yeah,
paint.
why can't everyone else parents like pick them up later?
Let's light the fire in there.
Because Kristen has to be home for study hall.
Yeah. What's study hall?
Exactly what it sounds like.
Yeah.
It's where you do homework and be miserable. Study hall is miserable.
Fire for a second.
This is bad.